Today, 35 million people live with HIV, with more than 25 million in Africa. HIV infects over 2 million people every year. Antiviral therapies have slowed down the progression of the disease, but these drugs are both expensive and toxic in the long run. The problem is, when you have HIV, you need to take medication for the rest of your life. It's an infectious disease, so the first question is, can we have a vaccine? The search for this vaccine is at the heart of the EURONewt 41 programme involving 17 European partners. Its goal? To block entry of the HIV into the body using an innovative vaccine based on GP41, a protein present in the virus. In France, the company PX Therapeutics has synthesized an enhanced version of this protein to elicit the best possible immune response.
The GP41 protein was selected because it's located on the surface of the virus. So it's a protein that can be seen by the immune system. It also plays a key role in the virus's cell entry mechanism.
HIV changes constantly in order to trick our immune system, but GP41 remains unchanged and could therefore prove to be the virus's Achilles heel. If the human body produces neutralizing antibodies against this protein, the vaccine could be effective against a broad variety of virus strains. More than 40 versions of GP41 were created and screened to optimize the immune response. The elected candidate was then tested in a phase 1 clinical trial in the UK on healthy female volunteers. Dr. David Lewis supervised the trial. The sexual transmission of AIDS is prevalent in the world. Therefore, EURONewt 41 is testing a new means of administering the vaccine to block the virus at the gateway.
If you give a vaccine in the nose, it stimulates a good response in the genital tract. So the innovative concept is to start to give the vaccine into the nose with 3 doses. This prepares the body for a good response in the genital tract to block infection with antibodies that keep it out.
So far, all HIV vaccine candidates have failed to make the human body produce effective protection. A phase 2 clinical trial will determine whether the EURONewt vaccine is more effective.
We have to be realistic. There is nothing that any of us can see in the pipeline that is looking any more promising than what has already failed. Do I think I'll see an effective HIV vaccine marketed before I retire? No. But do I think I'll never see an HIV vaccine marketed? Of course we will. Humanity has always found the answer to complicated problems like this. We will get a vaccine.